guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about AI, artificial intelligence. We're going to be breaking down, are they crashing? Now we've seen companies like Oracle, Adobe, even companies like Apple, which are like the tech giants, all sell off today, even more. So we're gonna be talking about what's going on and answering that main question of should you buy the dip? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team, and guys, don't forget to check out my merch. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. So guys, let's jump into it. Let's go. So like I said, today we saw a massive amount of sell-off from a whole bunch of tech stocks, software companies like Adobe selling off 4%, companies like Oracle selling off, over 13%. We saw Apple selling off. Now, a lot of people are getting really worried about artificial intelligence just because AI is rated one of the best sectors to invest in for the next decade. Analysts gave a rating near around 37% annually for the next 10 years. So with that being said, we saw companies like Nvidia up over 200%. We saw a massive amount of buying pressure enter a whole bunch of AI companies like C3 AI, Big Bear, and a variety of others. Now, one thing is stocks don't always go up. A lot of people love to think that stocks only go up. Anytime you see a stock up 100%, you think, all right, it's gonna go up another 200%. That stock's gonna continue, that trend's going up. The stock market is like a swing. It goes back and forth, where maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month, maybe 1 year, you're up on your money. And then the next, it goes back. It's always better, in my opinion. I think a healthy stock market, a healthy stock, get sell-off. You never want to invest in a company that's only going up. Looking back at even a tech icon like Apple has gotten massive amount of sell-off, over 20% in some cases in a single day, several times. So it's healthy for companies to sell off. Now, I think we are long overdue for a possible, not crash, but more along the lines of a correction. A crash is when the market sells off about 20% or more. Correction is about 10%. So for me, I think a correction is most likely where we're headed, just because we've also seen high inflation, high interest rates, and all that stuff really hasn't affected the stock market that much. So I do think we are overdue. Now, yes, companies like Oracle, the reason they're selling off is they've done very bad on their earnings. Adobe is selling off because they are, announcing earnings next week and people are getting scared. We did see a variety of other companies in that AI sector miss out on revenue, miss out on earnings, causing them to lose a whole bunch of money and just sell off rapidly. So I think it's very healthy for companies and sectors to go in swings. Looking at, the EV sector, a couple years ago, that was the hottest sector. Everybody was investing into Tesla and a variety of others. But then what we saw happen is a whole bunch of standout companies actually start leading the way, leading the path. Now, a company like Tesla, which definitely was the electric auto space's, leader of this sector, I do think we'll get a variety of other AI stocks that are that new leader. Companies like Google, companies like Nvidia, Microsoft will kind of pave the way for AI. And yes, we'll still get startups that go up and down. But for me, answering that question of should you invest into AI, for me, I really believe a good strategy is dollar cost averaging. So investing weekly or monthly into AI stocks is a great way to get a good average price for your shares. Because what you do is, instead of putting up a whole bunch of money all up front, you could be investing in overvalued. What you do is you invest consistently. So you get a good average price for your shares. It's a great way to invest in growth stocks, more volatile companies, and it's the strategy that I would recommend. But that's just my opinion, so do your own research before you guys invest. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and honestly, is AI likely to sell off? I do think we'll probably get some sort of correction rather than crash. So we'll see you guys later. Take care.